Miss Hodgson. Today I thought I'd show you how to make an Easter craft activity using a toilet roll to make a bunny stamp to create an Easter collage. Let's get started. Okay, so the first job you need to do is to take your toilet roll and cut it into 3 equal portions, and then you're going to choose one piece to be the face, and then the other 2 pieces you're going to squeeze to become the ears. And you're going to use a little bit of PVA to stick these 3 items together to make a shape that's fixed, ready for printing. That needs a little bit of time and probably a bit of adult help too. Once your rabbit stamp is ready to go, you just need to put a little bit of white paint on a plate or tray, and then go ahead and stamp on a piece of paper. You might need to press down quite hard to make sure that your rabbit is fully printed. You can go ahead and put as many on the piece of paper as you like. I'll show you the one that I've already made. As you can see, I printed 4 rabbits on my page. I left it to dry, and then once it was dry I added some eyes, a nose and some little teeth cut out of card to make my bunnies look suitably Eastery. Now, whilst my bunnies were drying, I went ahead and made some fun splodgy paper, which was just different coloured paints just on a piece of paper, to make my little Easter eggs. Now, you could use wrapping paper or any other fun coloured paper that you have at home. I've got this, which would be also quite nice to use as an Easter egg design, but I thought I might make my own, and all I did was splodge on lots of different coloured paint, leave it to dry, and then I made an egg shape template out of card and then drew round on the back of the paper once it was dry, and then cut out my Easter eggs ready to hide in the grass. Now, to make the grass, all I did was get a piece of green card. You could use green paper or paint some green paper and leave it to dry, and then I just cut in lots of triangles that were different thicknesses, some very thin ones and some slightly wider ones. And because one of my bunnies in my picture is hiding quite high up, I've made a little bit of extra long grass to help hide him. Let me show you. So there's my bunny that's quite high up, so he's going to need some slightly taller grass before I add the main grass along the bottom like so. Okay, so I'm just going to use a bit of glue and stick that down. So just a little bit of Pritt stick along the bottom of your grass, and then it's ready to be stuck on, like so. Now, I haven't stuck down all the individual fronds of grass. I'm leaving those to stick up so that I can use them to hide my Easter eggs in between. So just take a little bit of glue on the bottom of your egg and then tuck it inside the grass to hide it. And there we go. All our Easter eggs are hiding in between the grass, ready to be found on Easter morning. I hope you have fun making this Easter collage. Perhaps you could send it in the post to a grandparent or a relative to cheer them up at Easter time. I hope you're having a good time at home. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when new videos have been uploaded, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye!